NFTs, arguably the most popular crypto term in recent times, and this isn't without reason. From celebrities to respected companies, everyone is talking about launching their own NFTs, but not all NFTs are made equal. While some are worth a fortune, some can be practically worthless. Hello and welcome to the Wealth Whiz. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money from NFTs. Want to know how to spot a good NFT project? Want to know the various ways to make money from your digital assets? Then take out your pen and paper and follow me. Over the course of 2021, the non-fungible token or NFT market evolved into a significant part of the crypto industry, with total spending on NFTs topping $12.6 billion, up from $162.4 million at the start of the year. While Ethereum is used to create, buy, and sell the vast majority of NFTs, hefty gas fees can make the process incredibly expensive. According to data from Rarible Analytics, minting a single NFT on Ethereum costs roughly $89.69 in gas expenses, while minting NFT collections cost around $900. To overcome these expenses, many investors and developers simply try to sell their NFTs on secondary markets like OpenSea and make a profit. However, there are lots of other ways to make money from NFTs other than selling them for more than you paid or creating them for. Number 1 is renting out your NFTs. One method to make passive income is to rent out your NFTs, especially the ones in high demand. Some card trading games, for example, allow players to borrow NFT cards to increase their chances of winning. The NFT loan mechanism was first presented to the Axie Infinity player community through a game scholarship program. The scholarship allows players to rent NFTs off in-game tools, skins, or creatures, allowing them to take part in play-to-earn games without having to invest any money upfront. Then lenders receive a cut of the gamer's cryptocurrency profits. Play-to-earn games are popular in low-income countries, particularly the Philippines, where Axie Infinity has become a national craze. The Philippines currently accounts for 40% of all Axie players. According to a documentary called Play to Earn NFT, players in rural communities were able to cash out $300 to $400 in the first weeks of playing. Gaming in the Philippines pays more than many people of the country earn in a month. Gaming companies that provide scholarship programs raised millions of dollars in investment last year. Yield Guild Games, based in the Philippines, raised $4.6 million in an investment round led by Andreessen Horowitz in August. In November, GuildFi received $6 million in a seed round headed by Defiance Capital and Hashed. So renting out your NFTs to companies like that can be very good for you. Another way to make money from NFTs is staking. One of the benefits of the marriage between NFTs and decentralized finance or DeFi protocols is the possibility of staking NFTs. Depositing or locking away digital assets into a DeFi protocol smart contract to create a yield is referred to as staking. While some platforms allow you to use a variety of NFTs, others require you to buy native NFTs in order to gain staking token payouts. Kira Network, NFTX, Splinterlands, and Only One are examples of platforms that support NFT staking. Part of the benefits provided to stakeholders is denominated in governance tokens in some situations. These protocols provide token holders voting rights over how their ecosystems develop in the future. Most of the time, coins obtained through staking NFTs can be reinvested into other yield-generating protocols. The next method we'll be looking at is flipping. Flipping is basically buying low and selling high. It's the oldest trick in the book, but will still work if done appropriately and with the right amount of research. To do this, you have to follow NFT fans on Twitter and keep checking for information about NFTs to keep an eye on. This option, however, is quite risky because some people are simply paid or sponsored to post. No need to be alarmed though, there is another way to get NFT information. Visit Rarity Tools, a platform known for ranking NFT collectibles and generative arts, to get a glimpse of what's coming to market. Look for upcoming section on the website to see a long list of NFTs that will be released soon. The social presence of a project is the beating heart of NFTs. Without a robust and active social presence, NFT collections are doomed to fail. Furthermore, it could be a red flag if just a limited number of people are aware of and support the project. It just shows that only a few people are prepared to put their money on the line for the initiative. It suggests that only a tiny number of individuals are wagering on it. Check to see if the collection has a suitable number of followers, at least 10,000. If the NFT collection doesn't have a Twitter, Discord, or any other active community or channels, don't even think about including them in your options. Examine the NFT to see if it varies from previous NFTs that have been released. You will not generate much money in the long term if the drop is way too comparable to earlier ventures. And now the method is to play to-earn P2E games. NFTs for video games are also forming, as blockchain allows you to switch from paying to win to playing to earn. NFT game development is the way to go if you want to engage a larger audience and increase revenue opportunities with high demand rewards. The game includes features that allow you to buy, sell, trade, or exchange your collectibles. Although no games have achieved widespread popularity to date, the potential is enormous. Video games with NFTs sellable in-game items are going to be a massive success because gamers are notorious for spending a lot of money on virtual items. NFT video game developers in particular are ambitious NFT creators, which could help the technology advance. In-game NFTs are the most advanced of all NFTs when compared to other NFTs such as artwork, fashion, and trading cards. This is because they are complex and fully interactive, but they change over time as a player's character evolves and needs to be upgraded or leveled. Before we discuss the last method for today, be sure to like and share, subscribe for more content like this. Now the last method we're going to discuss is NFT royalties. Creators can specify terms that impose royalty costs whenever their NFTs are sold on the secondary market due to the underlying technology that powers NFTs. To put it another way, creators can generate a passive income even after selling their works to collectors. Using this strategy, you can receive an indefinite share of the NFT sale price. If the royalty on a digital artwork is set at 10%, you will receive 10% of the total sale price each time it is resold to a new owner. It's worth noting that these percentages are frequently set by the creators while the NFTs are being minted. Smart contracts also manage the entire royalties distribution process. Smart contracts are computer programs that run on their own and enforce commercial agreements. As a result, because everything is automated, you won't have to worry about enforcing your royalty conditions or keeping track of payments as a creator. This is applicable to digital content, gaming accessories, physical objects, and other items of similar nature. NFT royalties provide a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for artists and content creators to improve their incomes. Artists benefit from ability to receive recurring payments for something they created once. In addition, as their fame grows, they see an increase in the amount of money they make from their work. You don't need to have a lot of money in order to earn from NFTs. Take the play-to-earn games as an example. You can just start earning money from these games simply as just signing up and playing the games. And that's the end of today's video. Let me know which of these discussed methods is your favorite in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video.